Hi everyone, and today I'm going to do a little demonstration on the Misko's Charming Moist Eyeshadow Palette. It came in this, and I just opened it like that. It came with its own little brush. I love the brush. It is so cute and soft and pointed, and this one is just amazing as well. And when you open it up, again, when I received this one was broken, but the rest of the shades are really beautiful, and I'm going to do a small demonstration of how one of the eyeshadows looks. And I'm going to go ahead and try probably this one and this one because I'm wearing it. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and use this big one, and I am going to go ahead and put it right here. Now, I did all of my makeup, already primed my eyes. My mascara is done. I refuse to go on a video with no mascara. So I am getting this one, I'm tapping it, and I am putting it, and the color is very nice, very well pigmented as you can see. And I'm going to put this all over the eye, all the way to the top, just like that, like so. And I might do another mix-up. And I am very detailed. I do 2 eyes at a time. And now I'm left-handed, so for me to do on my right, I do it a little differently than others. I do it this way. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend it all the way to the top. And a little bit seems to go a long way. And I'm gonna use this side just to make sure to go ahead and mix it. And it looks like that. I'm probably gonna add a little bit more down here as well as down here. So I have put it on. Now we're gonna go ahead and try this shade right here, the orange. Or reddish, I'm not sure what it looks like, so I'm going to use this little lower one. And I am doing like this, and I am putting it just in the crease by itself. And I am gonna go ahead and put a little bit more. It's very pigmented and it looks really amazing. And the brush is really cute, but I am going to use mine. This is my favorite brush. And I am getting it, and I am just whipping it on. And the color is amazing. This is from e.l.f. I'm gonna blend it. I'm blending it like that. For some reason, I always have issues in that little area. So I'm gonna get it right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and tap it, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this one again, and I'm gonna put it again. Now I'm going to get, and I'm gonna try and make a little eyeliner in the bottom using the orange. I'm gonna be crazy today. And I'm using the orange, as you can see. And I like how that looks. I'm combining the brown and the orange, the brown and the orange. And again, the brown and the orange and the brown. So yes, they are very, very pigmented. I think that it's a really good product. And I definitely like the end result. And I'm using this brown now. Okay, so this is just a fast tutorial. This is how the eyeshadow looks. I love it. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and show you swatches. This is the one that I used that you can't see much, but you can see a lot in my eyes. This is the other color. And then I'm gonna go to the next color. These are like very springy colors. I just have to really see. And then I'm gonna go now to the darker ones. That's the orange I was using. This is red, really beautiful. I really like that one. This is like a wine. Ooh, that is beautiful. Okay, and then that is that one right there. This is another really pretty one. I like how that looks. And then here we have the blue, which is really nice. The one that broke is amazing. I'm like really bummed that that one broke. And then here is the brown. This is a really nice color. Actually, let's try this one for a little bit underneath the eye as well. Oh yes, this is probably the one that I would use. Absolutely. And then you just get, and you just put a little bit of, just to give it a little bit of highlight. And it looks amazing. So yes, this is the look that I got from using this color on the bottom. On the bottom I used that, and then I used this one in the middle, and then I used I believe this one, yes, this one, or underneath with that one. And this is how the whole look it is. I really like this palette. I highly recommend it. I'll go ahead and link it down if you guys are interested. I want to thank you all for your time and your patience. I am still getting the hang of doing the tutorials and everything, so thank you for watching. I highly recommend this gorgeous, gorgeous palette from MISKOS, and the colors are amazing. It came really well packed, and the brush is adorable. Thank you all for watching. You have a great time. Bye.